Valentine's Day greetings, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Venera Collections. This is the surprise for you today. It is a beautiful bracelet with roses and a lot of dangles. I made this for a friend. I wanted to dedicate this video to the Russian artist like Rosalina, Anna Oskina, Irina Ivanskaya, like that. I fall in love with their creations. Even though I cannot understand Russian, I follow them very crazy. I have two of this. This one is a small one, little girl, and this is for her mom. Watch my videos full. Don't forget to subscribe. Give a thumbs up or thumbs down according to your opinion. Thank you. In tutorial 34, I will show you how to make the floral bracelet. I choose magenta pearl and red color from Premo clay. I'm mixing both colors together. I mixed the colors 3 days ago. So today I'm going to condition that clay again to be playable. Unless we cannot form the petal shape. Let's make the clay into a log. Once it is into the desirable size, we have to cut both the ends. Okay, now the log is ready to slice into petals. We need 11 petals in total. 1 petal for first layer, 2 petals for second layer, 3 petals for the third layer, and 5 petals for the final layer. Let's flatten each petal with the fingers. Don't worry about the fingerprints, that will give the natural look to the petals. And if you are really worried of the fingerprints, you can use gloves. You have to repeat doing this process for all the petals you make. For one rose we need to have 11 petals. So I'm doing that. It is a time-consuming process. Let's start making roses. First take the one petal and fold it like a roll. Now arrange second layer of petals face to face. Third layer, we have to place 3 petals overlapping each other. After placing all the 3 layers together, we have to press down to make all the petals stick together. Now start pinching the petals little bit. I'm starting with the final and outer layer. Same like the third layer of petals, we are arranging the final layer also overlapping each other. That will be 5 petals for the final layer. So our rose is almost getting ready. Pinch the stem portion all together so all petals are sticking together. It will not fall apart, and bend outer layer backwards. Now all the petals on the roses are visible and more of a natural look. Keep doing until you get the desired result. You stop once you are happy with the shape, and then trim off the long tail. Then poke a hole through the central petal. Whenever you are making a hole, you should do it up and down. We can give few more details with the toothpick or a piece of wire. I have already made few roses. Make as many as roses you require for your project. I am now showing a time-lapse video. Shooting all the process is making very lengthy video. I took almost 5 to 6 minutes to finish one rose, so the video will be so big. Now I am showing how to make really tiny roses. I am folding the petals on a piece of wire so that it makes easy to hold it. Repeat all previous steps to make the tiny roses as well. Making tiny things are really difficult rather than little big pieces. I bet you will agree with me. The roses are ready to cure. I usually cure to 75 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. You can do according to the package direction. Let's see the materials required for the assembly. We are going to cut the chain according to the length needed. Cured flowers, beads, gembrines, headpins, bead caps, flyers and claps too. Add one golden bead and green colored glass bead on the headpins. Do it for all. Similar way, on headpins we have to string one rose and one bead cap. Look at the procedure and do it for all the roses we have. I love rings, so I'm going to add more beads. This time pink coral and golden colored beads on the headpins. Bend the eye-pins and headpins 90-degree right angle, then bend opposite direction to form a loop. I'm cutting 7 inches from the chain. Now I'm going to add the clasp to the chain with a gem ring. Close the gem ring with the help of pliers. Excuse me, that's my boy in the background speaking. See, we fixed it. Start adding roses and beads to the chain. Be careful, the chain is thicker. According to that, while making the loop, it should have enough room to go on the chains, otherwise the movements will be affected. I'm adding roses to each third link on the chain. Between roses, we are going to add green beads and golden pink beads also. I added one green glass bead on the extreme last link, so it looked like it will be pretty. Few more glass beads on the extension. A little tail for extension of the chain so that we can adjust wherever we want to clasp it. This is how it looks after adding glass beads and roses. I feel little empty, so that I am adding few more glass beads on the links. See how is it? It this pretty enough, isn't it? Now we can add the golden and coral pink color beads also in between the green beads and the roses, so it will be full. Voila, it's ready. Did you like it?
Mama, it's so pretty. Happy Valentine's Day!
If you like the video, give the thumbs up. If not, give the thumbs down. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. See you next week.